now welcome back on Top the Night Show. Now Ministry Monday be this, and we dey discuss low self-esteem for where you dey work with HR expert Bumi Oni. Before the break, or rather, before the break, we dey discuss low self-esteem. As we come back now, how to control the low self-esteem.
Exactly.
Now we want enter. So now
how you fit build them?
How you go fit build yourself low self-esteem?
Low self-esteem.
Low
self-esteem.
That's the way they talk. How you go take build them? Now, God Chaser, then a Code Nation 2 at Code Nation 2 say, Nedu Abeg, how will fit increase increase self-esteem? Now, Bumi only go tell you so now.
Okay, there's one adage in psychology. They say, fake it until you make it.
Fake it until you make it. Yeah, fake it until you make it. Yeah. Talk for your language.
Fake it, okay, make it.
Fake it until you make it.
Make I talk about my
language. Yoruba.
Fake it to my make it.
Wait, fake not get your language.
Fake.
You see, I'm Ehonan.
No, say na fake I talk now.
Act time until it become real.
Now be say, you know, it dey two sides. The person. Now be say the person be the employee. Then the employer too, he gets responsibility. Okay. Both of them get. But on the employee side, they say fake it until you make it. Now be say you go they tell yourself positive things.
I feel do this thing.
I feel do this thing.
I don't do this thing.
I go feed do am.
I go feed do am. I go feed do am.
Even if you not feed do am. If you no feed do am, even if not to just solicit for help. Because the truth is not team thing.
And even for that meeting where then they day where you no go fit talk, you go to tell yourself, say, I fit to am, I fit do this thing. And when you do am, if not mistake, person will go fit correct you. So that next time you go say tell yourself, I fit do this thing. Then before anything happen, over time, you go down the build up. You go down they build your confidence, they come up. Person not go fit shush you.
Yeah.
Go one corner.
Then they say
fake it till you make it.
Fake it till you make it. Tell yourself positive things. Tell yourself good things. I feel do am. In fact, well, spiritually. You know?
Yeah, spiritually, I agree. I agree very well. They say the spirit control the physical. So if you speak, even Bible talk about now, say now what you talk, now you go get.
Exactly.
Even let's go spiritual now. Hallelujah, somebody. Even God tell Abraham. Abraham, he said, as far as your eye can see,
okay,
I has give to you. Meaning say now what thing you see, now you go feel get. What thing you talk, the power of the life and
the tongue.
The power in the tongue. So now what thing you talk, now it go happen to you. Now where you go, if you not see where you go, you not go reach there. So now what thing you talk for yourself, now it go happen to you. Hallelujah, somebody. Offering time.
Then on the employer side, you know good. Make the employer the micromanage people. He say, number one, demonstrate your trust in their abilities. Now you employ them. Now you that they work for. No micromanage them. They say, okay, oh yeah, you go and pick that pen. You.
If they give her instead of big work, and they give us cleaner work.
Small, you go they micromanage them. If you give them work, you go still they go they meet them. This one, this one no go feed them. You carry them, go give easy bit.
Oh God, leave me, make I do this work now.
You go they micromanage them. You know, go allow them, make them use their.
You get somebody who see like, hello. Continue.
You know, go allow them, make them demonstrate their abilities. You know, like say you know trust them. Say they feed them. This one, this one no go feed them. Or this one we write for book BSc something. You know, go feed them. I better make I do it myself. You go sit down, they do. Waiting you don't give assign to your team, make them do. You go they do and they say. So anything where they bring safe.
It no go
there exactly. And meanwhile, they reduce the person's self-esteem.
The person go
reduce them.
Which one I go do now? Where then go return again? Say I not do
exactly.
I could do on my own.
If I do them now, Oga go say no. Be so that they do them. I can't do them the way Oga say make you do them again. He go say no. In fact, you didn't finish it on time. You go they micromanage people as if they be small picking. They lower person's self-esteem.
But people that can't think they happen to, waiting them go do.
You mean the employee?
The employee, yes.
Now, we say they tell the employer, so no, they micromanage people. Allow them to use their initiative. They are creative.
No.
It's like they set boundaries for them. You don't trust them. You see, these people, they don't already get low self-esteem. You understand? You go
Kule from Ikeja, good evening.
Hello.
Kule, good evening.
Good evening.
They hear you. You get a question to ask? You say? What do you talk? I don't hear you well.
Networks.
Okay, no worry, Kule. Thank you very much. Continue.
So the step one where we talk now, I be say demonstrate your trust in their abilities. No, my
Then for the employer, not the
not
employee.
for the employer. Yeah.
Okay.
You know, say we don't talk. Say the employee. Now, so they tell yourself positive.
Okay,
things.
now be saying that the only thing for the employee be
Yeah,
that.
you suppose they tell yourself positive. Say you go feed do am. Not see anything as one big challenge.
So not be say for employee now for you now where they ask yourself say okay how you go take build your own self-esteem and some of the questions when you be say they here what the person go do to his self-esteem to get him back when he don't lose him and the other questions how you go take rebuild your self-esteem all of now when you be say they say you don't lose your self-esteem they lose your self-esteem now just one answer. Just one, not be 10 key points or 20 key points or 5 key points or 2. Only one. Fake it until you make it. Tell yourself, say, I feel do am, I feel do am, I feel do am. When you tell yourself, I feel do am, something where you tell yourself, a person will talk 19 times, I mean 25 times.
Yeah.
Before you know thing that happen, it go become part and parcel of you.
Yeah.
No, you go just say do am. But that, you know, you yourself go to shock. Let me do this. You understand? For all of them now, where they employ, fake it until you make it. Then for you now, when you be saying now you they employ people, now your own, then they talk so
Exactly.
now.
They say, in fact, for fake it until you make it, they say that one, it will convince your superiors. And it will also help you to rejigger your thoughts and your processes. Because you don't they tell yourself, say, I go fit. I fit. Then, before you know it, you don't they do them.
You don't they do them. You go even shocked. And even self, your organs them for office, we see you they do them. They don't say you've not fit do them before. They can't see you they try they do them.
Yeah.
They're going to say, okay.
This person don't they build.
This person don't they build. This person don't they build in self-esteem.
Yeah. Then step 2, you go encourage your employees to be the best at what they can do.
Okay.
Not be say you go they put them down. You go
Okay.
they relegate them as if they know they there. You know, if they boost their self-esteem, say, Oga say, Oga commend me today. Oga say, na me do this, na me do that. You know, it go challenge you. You self go on do more. Recognize their effort. Encourage them. Not be say they go come, you go come be like, waiting your mates they do with this. My niece for house. Now this kind of thing you the type since, you know even a line. See as the thing be. Go. So that's what you've been doing.
That kind when the person go die, when the person go yes,
in
in niece, you don't kill the person more. When the person go tell say your niece for house, feed one. My 5-year-old son can do better.
Can do better
Get
than
out
what
of my
I'm doing.
sight.
And this is what you've been doing all day?
And you call yourself your
graduate?
Come.
Which school you go,
Which school
sef?
you go?
How did you
Then
get
no
a job?
wonder.
How did you get this job? No.
No wonder. And then step 3, recognize success.
Okay.
For instance, now when you do performance appraisal, award certificates. Give them
Award of say then try. The best marketer.
Exactly.
Best this one employee.
Give them award. Give them gift cards. You know, maybe like end of the year, or maybe if in a biannual process you do for your office. That biannual at the get together, recognize them. This person, employee of the month. You know, put their photograph there. You know, they go some eateries where you say you go see some. They go put employee of the month.
Even some offices where at the MC their because you get some offices where they MC their events. Fridays. You get some offices where they do almost. You get one company, no one call their name. For inside 1 month, I don't MC 2 of their Thank God It's Friday.
Okay.
And for that Thank God It's Friday, then they appreciate workers who do well that week.
For the week.
So by next week, if not be you, then appreciate it. For that next week, you go get
do
ginger
more.
to do more.
So when they appreciate you too, it boost build your self-esteem. Even your team self go know say now person where they our team they recognize. So you know now since na team effort, if they recognize you now, now the whole team you go around. So you say go on do more. Where be say you go retain them. Other departments
we not reach them to go on.
Then go on read.
Come
Not be
on.
say the person when they recognize the person go say wetin he do. Yeah, but give me.
Wetin you do when we not fit do?
How much then give am sef?
After I don't now he sleep with her. Now make am dey give am the award. He don't sleep with her.
Some go even talk say you sure say dem give her money. Na lie. Other one wey dey talk say they give them cash price. Na lie. They no give them any cash price. I don't date this company since. They no give me anything. Cause say this one na lie. They no give them anything. Then step 4, give credit to whom credit is due. If na somebody wey dey your team, wey be say na your junior, na him do something wey be say maybe he get
Not
one
make you
idea.
not take the credit say na you do am.
Exactly. Not just push the person aside. Can't go meeting. Can't say yes as if na you be the manager and na you do am. Recognize that person. If you know want make it become one very big deal, you fit send memo.
I know person for this company. After the show, now I go take him. I not go take him on air. You get one girl where they tell me for you, say, sir, I dey do am. Okay, they do am. But he go just take him, say, na him do am. He not go give me credit. At least just tell me, give me credit. Say, this person, add to this one. So it not be say if you give that person credit, the next time the person will get more ginger to even do more. But if you not give the person credit, I beg, I know they do. I go do a finish now. You go call right names and I do. I beg.
And the one where I do last year, they can't give am prize. You don't even fit mention my name. You know, say some people when they win Oscar award, when they come out, some of them when no win, say go don't prepare speech from house. So when they can't come now, they don't win, but at least they put people
the names. Double toilet to my director.
Exactly.
The person will give me the script, all those things.
Yeah.
Anyway, double toilet. We'll not finish. How many remain?
And only one remain.
Okay, more wrap up.
They say you suppose step 5. They say bring it outside help. You go bring in outside help. Now they say if you see say your team, it be like say they are ginger, they are swag, no too.
Bring person where go coach
them like a life coach, like a mentor, or send them out, make them go training.
Anyway, double toilet to our HR expert Bumioni. Aluta Jarul say, Antioni, can you please put all these your HR lectures in a book or handout? It's really educative and inspiration. Yeah.
You know, say last week somebody say make we take them higher.
Yes,
they pay us
money. And then tweets plenty. I will not feed all of them. Double toilet all of them. We send tweet messages. Sorry, to will not feed that. And then for those where they call, will not take on a call. Make on another vex. And if you get questions, where you want to ask now, send in your questions to @W9Show. Send in your questions. Maybe by next week Monday, Bobby only go answer all the questions. Send in your questions at W9Show.
If I do, if we do them like this. We think do like Monday, since our phone line is no too.
Okay, next week.
So next week we go address all.
Next week Monday we go take all on our phone calls. Every question we get, we go take all the phone calls to answer on our questions. That was all to our DJ Easy Beat of the living and the living. To case Lokemos, Sharply, Big Bash, Alabat, soft skill and tough hard skill. Until tomorrow,
and Monica.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.